Hello everyone. Today we're going to show you how to post pictures to a Vbulletin website, specifically version 4 or higher. This website is Gulf Coast Fishing Connection and is running version 4.1.1. The reason I mention that is that if you are following this video using Google Chrome web browser, it's not going to work the way we show it here. Hopefully in the future it will. As of right now, I would recommend you use Microsoft Internet Explorer or Mozilla Firefox. So let's post a picture. Click on Post New Thread, enter our title. Now, the default for this form is editor mode is what you see is what you get. You see this little button right here? It says switch editor mode. So if you're not seeing what I see on this video, you might want to check your editor mode over here. Now there's two different ways to post pictures. There's the insert image icon, it looks like a little tree, and then there's the paperclip. Now the paperclip seems to confuse people. It's just got a lot more features, so we'll get to that. But for now we're going to start with the insert image icon, which is by far the simplest way to insert pictures. So we click on that, and we see from computer or from URL. This is real simple. If you've got a picture on your computer or on a digital camera attached to your computer somewhere on your hard drive, this is for you. If you're trying to insert a picture that is already on the internet somewhere, you want to use from URL, and a URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator. All it is an address. It's a link. It's the directions for your browser to find a picture on the internet. We're going to go ahead and insert a picture from Google's homepage. I've already got this tab open, and you'll see that if I highlight this Google logo and look at the properties of it, it says address, and in parentheses it says URL. It's google.com/images/logos blah blah blah. Anyway, we're going to just copy this. Okay, copy that, close our window, go back to our window over here and paste our URL. For those who know the keyboard shortcuts, I just hit Control V for paste. It's the same as hitting the right mouse button and clicking paste. So, and it says retrieve remote file and reference locally. You want to keep that checked. All that means is take a copy of it from their website and insert it on this one instead of just linking to that. The difference is this will upload this to the forum, and it's completely independent of Google's logo. So this is what we want to do. Click on insert image, and there it is. Now see how what you see is what you get mode, so you can actually see a thumbnail of this. If you click on switch editor mode, you see we are now in non what you see is what you get, I guess you would call it. Sometimes this is actually easier because you just go around here and type stuff and move your cursor around. But we can switch back and forth at will. So now you see I've got text in front of it and behind it. I could have just as easily moved my cursor in front of it or behind it to add my text. I hit the enter key, type some text, cursor down key, more text. Now that was inserting from a URL. Let's insert a picture from our hard drive. So click on that again, click on from computer, select file, find it on your hard drive. Now you see here I'm only uploading one picture. Click on the upload file, and there it is. Now, if I want to move this around, I can. There's several ways you can do it. You can drag it around, which once you learn how to do it, it's not hard. But you can also cut and paste it. You can say cut. You move your cursor and say paste. There it is. Or you can switch to the editor mode and see now this is a picture. All of this between these brackets here. X. So anyway, let's go back to our visual mode so we can see what we're doing here. Click on Preview Post, and there it is. And of course, if I really want to post this to the forum, I would go ahead and hit Submit New Thread, but I'm not going to do that at this time. So that's how you upload pictures to a Vbulletin 4.1.1 or greater forum using the Insert Image button. And in our next video, I will show you how to use the paperclip.